Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two VPN platforms, which is Mullvad VPN and Avast VPN. So help you decide which of these VPN is very fast for you to use in 2025. So to get started with a quick overview, Mullvad is a privacy-centric VPN known for speed, transparency, open source design, with the WireGuard as its default protocol, no user tracking practice. Deliver fast, stable connection ideas for users who value both speed and anonymity. Then talking about the Avast VPN on the other side, developed by the cybersecurity company Avast, focused on its simplicity and integration with other Avast products. While it's user-friendly and platform decent, it doesn't really match the Avast reputation for speed or privacy transparency. Then talking about these two platforms, they are best, they both have different ways at which they are best at. So talking about the Mullvad, it is best for users who want a fast, secure and anonymous VPN connection. Then for the Avast, it is best for user or crucial browser who want easy setup and a simple protection VPN. And here's the overall conclusion about this platform. Mullvad is the faster overall, especially for long distance connection and privacy focused user. Thanks for the WireGuard and the minimal overhead. Then talking about the Avast VPN, it is decent for casual users and streaming, but lag behind the Mullvad in the raw speed and the transparency and privacy. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.